Introducing the stunning 2017 Audi A5 Sportback Sportba 2.0tdi 190BHP ST Sline in grey. This hatchback is packed with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, cruise control, parking assistance, and multiple airbags. With luxurious interior trim and sleek exterior styling, this Audi is sure to turn heads, not to mention the added security features like anti-collision system and tire pressure indicator. Rest assured, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing, visit audikerry.ie or call us today to learn more about this impressive vehicle. Drive in style and security with the 2017 Audi A5 Sport.